Imagine a beautiful sunny morning in the bustling city. The sky is blue, the birds are singing, and everyone is going about their day. Suddenly, a loud ringing sound echoes through the streets. It's the wailing of a fire alarm. Something important is happening, and everyone stops to listen. Across the city, people look toward the street, waiting to see what will happen next. Then, with a mighty roar, a big bright red fire truck bursts onto the scene. Its shiny red body sparkles under the sunlight as it flashes its lights and blares its siren. The fire truck is the hero of the city, ready to spring into action and help anyone in trouble. Its powerful engine rumbles as it speeds down the road, weaving carefully through cars and bicycles, making sure to reach the emergency as fast as it can. The color red is important. It is easy to see from far away, especially when the truck is moving quickly. Red means stop and look, so everyone on the road makes way for the fire truck. Buses pull over, trucks slow down, and even the city buses wait at the side of the street. The fire truck is like a red flash racing through the city, ready to save the day. Inside the fire truck, you will find a team of brave firefighters. Firefighters have one of the most important jobs in the city. They work hard every day to keep everyone safe. Boys and girls, moms and dads, pets and wild animals, all can count on firefighters to help when there is danger. To do their job, firefighters have to be quick and brave, and they must always work as a team. As the big red fire truck races down the street, the firefighters listen carefully to a message from their station. There is a small fire in a park, and some animals may need help. In a matter of seconds, the fire truck arrives at the park, spraying a cool mist of water to help keep the flames under control. Firefighters move quickly. They wear special, thick uniforms to stay safe from the heat. Their helmets are also bright red, protecting their heads. A group of frightened animals is near the edge of the park. A curious kitten, a little puppy, and some chirping birds. The loud sound of the sirens scared them, but the firefighters know just what to do. With gentle voices and calm hands, they help each animal to safety. The firefighters even bring a special red blanket to keep the kitten warm while they make sure all the animals are all right. People gather around the big red fire truck, grateful for the firefighters' courage. The children stare in amazement, seeing the shiny red wheels, the tall ladders, and the dozens of hoses rolled up neatly inside the truck. One firefighter kneels down to talk to the kids, explaining how the fire truck works. This big red fire truck carries everything we need to put out fires and help rescue people and animals, the firefighter explains with a smile. Firefighters also teach children the importance of being safe. They remind everyone that fire can be dangerous, but with teamwork and quick thinking, it is possible to stay safe and help others who need it. The children listen closely, their eyes wide with excitement as they watch the firefighters work. After making sure everyone is safe, the firefighters turn off the hoses and carefully pack their gear back into the fire truck. The big red doors close with a gentle clang, the ladders are secured, and all the equipment is back in its place. The animals are now safe and sound, ready to go home with their owners. The fire in the park is gone, thanks to the quick work of the tireless firefighters. When the job is done, the bright red fire truck starts its engine again. With a low hum and a sparkle of its red paint, it slowly drives back through the city, waving goodbye to everyone. People clap and cheer as the truck passes by, grateful for the help. The color red gleams brightly as a sign of hope and safety, a signal that the firefighters are always ready to protect the city. Back at the fire station, the firefighters clean their equipment and make sure the fire truck is ready for the next emergency. The fire truck is washed carefully so that its bright red color stays shiny and new. The hoses are checked and the ladders are straightened. Everything must be just right, because the city counts on the firefighters and their big red truck. Firefighters are true superheroes in their own way, not because they have capes, but because they always help whenever anyone is in need. Whether it is a small cat stuck in a tree, or a big blaze in a building, these city heroes work day and night to keep everyone safe. And wherever you see something bright and red rushing by with its lights and siren, you know that help is on the way. So next time you spot a red fire truck, be sure to wave hello and remember what it means. The color red reminds us of safety, bravery, and help. It is the red fire truck, always ready for the next adventure. And the firefighters inside who are here to save the city and its people. In every city and every town, the big red fire truck stands ready to answer the call. With the courage of the firefighting team and the bright flash of red lights, families know they're in safe hands. Whether it's fighting fires, rescuing animals, or teaching children about fire safety, the fire truck keeps our world turning safely, one brave rescue at a time. And as the sun sets over the rooftops, the city sleeps peacefully, knowing that if there's ever trouble, somewhere nearby, the big red fire truck and its team of firefighters are just waiting for the next chance to help save the day.